From the first line of code to live production, efficiency isn't just a goal, it defines great developers. In a world where speed and reliability are everything, how do the best teams stay ahead? Today, we're breaking down the most powerful automated workflow that takes you from coding to deployment and beyond. This isn't just about writing code. It's about building a system that works for you. Let's dive in. It all starts with a clean slate. How you manage your code is the foundation of your entire process. For smaller, agile teams, trunk-based development keeps things simple and fast. Everyone works off the main branch, minimizing merge conflicts. For larger teams or projects with multiple release versions, GitFlow provides a more structured approach with feature branches, release branches, and hotfixes. Whichever you choose, automation is key. Before you even think about committing, automate your pull request checks. Run linters like ESLint and formatters like Prettier automatically. This ensures every piece of code entering your repository is clean, consistent, and follows best practices from the get-go. No more forgot to format commits. Next, we test. And we test everything. Shipping code without a safety net is like walking a tightrope blindfolded. You might make it, but the risk is huge. Your testing strategy should be multi-layered. Start with unit tests using frameworks like Fightist or Jest. They're fast, isolated, and check the smallest parts of your application. Then move to integration tests to ensure different components work together as expected. Finally, use end-to-end tests with tools like Playwright or Cypress to simulate real user journeys. All of this should run automatically on every push. Once your tests pass, it's time to build. The golden rule here is build once, run anywhere. Dockerize your application. By containerizing your app, you create a portable, consistent environment that eliminates the "it works on my machine" problem forever. With our code tested and our application containerized, it's time to let the machines take over with a CI/CD pipeline. Continuous integration and continuous deployment are the engines of modern software development. Tools like GitHub Actions or GitLab CIR, your best friends here. Configure them to automate everything. When you push to your main branch, the pipeline should spring to life. It will fetch your code, install dependencies, and make sure to cache them to speed up future runs. It should then run all your tests, build your Docker image, and scan it for security vulnerabilities. Finally, it deploys your application using secure, short-lived OIDC credentials. The goal is 0 manual steps. No manual approvals, no manual uploads, and absolutely no delays. The entire process, from commit to production, should be a seamless, automated flow. So, how do we deploy without causing downtime? This is where smart deployment patterns come in. Forget the old maintenance window announcements. With blue-green deployments, you spin up a new identical production environment with your updated code. Once it's ready and verified, you simply switch the traffic over. The old environment stays on standby, ready for an instant rollback if needed. For an even safer approach, try canary deployments. You release the new version to a small subset of users, like 1% or 5%, and monitor its performance. If everything looks good, you gradually roll it out to everyone. All of this is managed effortlessly with infrastructure as code. Tools like Terraform or Pulumi allow you to define your cloud environments in code, making them reproducible, version-controlled, and easy to modify. Your code is live, but the job isn't done. It's just beginning. Now we enter the world of monitoring and observability. You need to know what's happening in your application at all times. Use Prometheus to scrape metrics, Grafana to visualize them in beautiful dashboards, and OpenTelemetry to trace requests as they travel through your system. When an error inevitably occurs, tools like Sentry will capture it, give you the full context, and alert you immediately. Define your service level objectives, or SLOs, to measure what truly matters to your users like latency and error rates. If these SLOs are breached, you can even configure your system to trigger an automatic rollback to the last known stable version. This proactive approach turns uh-oh moments into norm events. So let's recap the blueprint of elite engineering teams. Code smart with clean branching strategies. Automate every single test and build. Deploy safely and without downtime using CI/CD and modern patterns. And finally, monitor everything, always. By connecting these stages into one cohesive, automated system, you not only ship better software faster, but you also create a more resilient and predictable development lifecycle. That's how you go from code to deployment with maximum efficiency. Thanks for watching. If you found this workflow helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into developer productivity and modern tech. Let us know your favorite automation tools in the comments below. See you in the next one.